Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to come on here and let you know of what my next project is going to be. I'm looking for a second generation Dodge Dakota Sport, maybe a SE, LE, depends on what I can find. And I'm setting money back for my next project truck. Hopefully I can get enough money set back to where I can start looking. I'm probably going to have the original engine in it. Maybe I may take out the original engine and put in a 426 or a 440. Depends on how much money I want to put into it. I've guesstimated anywhere from $80,000 to $100,000 on the total price of my next project. But we'll see, because this truck will be a show truck, because I'm going to fix it up nice. I'm thinking about either doing a turbocharger kit or having it supercharged. We'll see. It will have LEDs all around. Front headlights will be LED, interior will be LED. I'm going to also do the interior. Depends on how nice the interior is. But we shall see. What do you guys think I should do? My best friend said put a VTEC in it. He said you can do a lot of things to a VTEC engine. But it's something to think about. It's a Mopar and Chrysler product, and I've got doubts if I want to put a Japanese motor in it, but I got nothing wrong with that. I've always liked Nissans. I've always liked the Nissan Skylines R34s. That'd be something to put an R34 engine into it. But, guys, comment on what you should say, what I should do to this next project truck. I may get a truck and turn it into a drag package. I'm not sure yet. But we shall see. But I definitely know I'm probably going to take the original engine, probably supercharge it or turbocharge it. It's going to be a V8 this time. My Green Goblin out there is a V6. But comment what I should do to the original V8 motor in this next project truck in the second generation, because I'd like to see what I can do to it, how much power I can safely get out of it without blowing it up. But we'll see. But with that said, guys, I'm going to get off here. I got some things that I need to do here in the house, but I'll see you on the next one. And I'm going to continue on uploading more videos. I want to apologize for not uploading more videos. In the past, I've been busy, and I'm still busy. I'm still trying to look for a job. But just bear with me, and I'll start uploading more videos for you guys. I want to say thank you for everybody that supported me. On this next project truck, I'm going to try to get sponsors. I use a lot of Meguiar's products. I'm going to see if they'll sponsor me and see if I can get more promotional videos of Meguiar's and also my next project truck. But we shall see. Thanks, guys, for everything. I'll see you on the next one.